নমস্কার, আমি শুভায়ন আর ওয়েলকাম টু মাই চ্যানেল দ্য বাঙালি শেফ। গতকাল ছিল দ্য মাদার্স ডে অ্যান্ড সবার মতো আমিও আমার মায়ের জন্য কিছু স্পেশাল করেছিলাম। ইয়েস, আমি গতকাল আমার মায়ের জন্য মায়ের ফেভারিট বাসন্তী পোলাও রান্না করেছিলাম। তো বাসন্তী পোলাও বানাতে লাগে একটুখানি পেশেন্স অ্যান্ড লটস অফ লাভ। তো চলো আমরা রেসিপিটা দেখে নিই।
For this recipe, I have taken 500 grams of Govindabhog rice. Now we need to wash the rice till the water becomes little transparent. Govindabhog rice is also known for its aroma. So while washing, we need to make sure that it's not been washed too thoroughly so that the aroma goes away. Now spread the rice on a strainer, or you can keep it on a plate as well. The main idea over here is to make the entire rice dry or moisture free. So just to expedite the process, we can also leave it under the fan. Now in the next step, we need to marinate the rice, and for that I have taken 1 inch of ginger weighing approximately 6 grams and have grated it. Next, I have taken 8 cardamoms, 3 bay leaves, 1 inch of cinnamon, and 8 cloves. Now start adding all the whole spices with the dried up rice. Next, we need to add some ghee to it. Now I have used 2.5 spoon of desi ghee over here. Trust me guys, this ghee will be bringing out a very nice taste out of this pulao. And then mix it well. Now to it, add some turmeric. I have used 2 teaspoons of turmeric over here. Again, mix it well and keep it covered with a lid and let it rest for 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Now take a karai or a thick bottom pan and add some ghee to it. Well, in this step you can use refined oil, but trust me guys, adding ghee will be an additional taste for your pulao. Now I have taken around 150 grams of kaju and I have split it into half, and now we'll have to fry this in the ghee. Fry it until it's a little golden brown, because ghee, when it's heated, it will contain the heat a lot and it will tend to cook or fry the kaju very fast, so we'll have to keep a look on it. See how nice golden brown color it is. Well, if you want, you can take out 1 or 2 pieces and just munch it. In the next step, I'll be adding the mixed rice which was kept aside for 45 minutes. Next, you need to cook the rice or fry the rice for 7 to 8 minutes and make sure that it doesn't get burned. It's gonna look something like this. Now add some raisins to it. Well, you can use as many raisins and as many cashew nuts you want in this pulao. Now again start frying it on a low medium heat until the raisin gets cooked. Now side by side start boiling some water. You'll have to take the exact measurement of water. I have used 2.5 cup of rice over here, so I have taken 3 cups of water, and the cup was same by which I have measured the rice. Make sure that the water is boiling or else it can spoil the rice. Now you need to cover it up with the lid again and cook for at least 7 to 8 minutes. After 7 to 8 minutes, the rice will look something like this. Now you need to add sugar to it. Remember, the sweetness will be as per your taste. I have added 6 teaspoons of sugar to it. Next, mix the sugar well. I have added 2 more teaspoons of sugar as it was not that much sweet, and have added 2 teaspoons of salt. Now mix them well. Our pulao is almost ready. Do not forget to check the taste before you are taking it out of the flame. And our basanti pulao or boshanti pulao is ready to be served. And I'm going to serve it with some chicken kosha.
তো আমরা দেখে নিলাম কতটা সহজে আমরা বাসন্তী পোলাও বানিয়ে নিতে পারি। তোমাদের যদি ভিডিওটা ভালো লেগে থাকে দেন প্লিজ হিট দ্য লাইক বাটন অ্যান্ড ডু সাবস্ক্রাইব টু মাই চ্যানেল অ্যাজ ওয়েল। কমেন্ট সেকশনে জানাতে ভুলবে না রেসিপিটা ট্রাই করে তোমাদের কেমন লেগেছে। তো তোমাদের সঙ্গে দেখা হচ্ছে ইন দ্য নেক্সট ভিডিও। আনটিল দেন সবাই সুস্থ থাকুন, সেফলি থাকুন, মোস্ট ইম্পর্টেন্টলি বাড়িতে থাকুন।